all, good evening. Today I am Anushka Mitangre.
Hello everyone, myself Ishika Manazagala.
So today the topic of our poster presentation is very interesting. But before that, I would like to ask you all some questions. My first question is that have you ever wondered why there are increasing number of patients of asthma? And the second is why what is the cause that Delhi leads numerous of accident?
Air pollution.
Exactly. So the topic for today's seminar is air pollution. So basically, what is air pollution? Air pollution means the unwanted chemical or gaseous particles which are present in the atmosphere, which are harmful. Such as that is called as air pollution. And the composition of air pollution, it is nitrogen is it is 78%, oxygen 21%. Carbon dioxide 0.04% by volume, and all these other gases are noble gases. And these are the types of air pollutants. Now, what are primary air pollutants? Primary air pollutants means the pollutants which are directly causing air pollution. But secondary air pollutants means the pollutants which firstly reacts with primary air pollutants and then lead to air pollution.
Now we are going to see the sources of air pollution. So, sources of air pollution are like the wind carried by the dust carried by the wind, then some gases that released by the humans by some processes like CO2 from humans by respiration, then methane from cattle while digestion, and O2 from plants while photosynthesis. Then power generation, then vehicles, it also causes the air pollution. So these are the sources of air pollution.
Now, let's see the causes of air pollution. Now, first cause is burning of fossil fuels. What happens when the fossil fuels are burned? The gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide are released due to the incomplete combustion. Which leads to air pollution. Second is automobiles. Now let's just take an example. In each and every house, every single member has its own vehicle. So the pollution is the gas emitted by that vehicle is leading to the pollution. Then this agriculture activities. When there are agriculture activities, one hazardous gas is released during the activities, which is ammonia, which leads to the air pollution. Then second are factories and industries. They are the biggest source because the chemical factories they are the main source of carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and etc. And there are so many causes like mining activities and domestic sources.
Now, how can we conserve air pollution? So first, we can conserve by use the public mode transport. We should use public mode transport instead of automobiles. Then we can conserve energy by switching off the fans and lights while we are going out. So that because electricity is produced by burning fossil fuels, which leads to air pollution. Then we can also use the method of reuse, recycle, and restore. And then we can also use stop burning garbage outside.
Now, the disadvantages of air pollution are they leads to many diseases like cancer and asthma. The second is they are sometimes harmful for the immature crops. Then they for the three biggest sources, three biggest disadvantages are that first is acid rain, second global warming, and third the depletion of ozone layer. So let's see the acid rain. What happens when the pollutant combines with the water droplet and form one other acidic droplet? When it falls, it causes the acidification of the water of lakes and streams and rivers.
Hi, I am Devendra. I will tell you about the greenhouse effect and the global warming. So, greenhouse effect. The excess warming of Earth's surface and troposphere due to the trapping of sun's heat due to the presence of greenhouse gases is called global warming, and the greenhouse effect. The excess of greenhouse effect lead to the global warming. So what happened? The rays from the sun strikes the earth, and due to the greenhouse gas, when they are reflected back, due to the greenhouse gases, they are again reflected towards earth. This makes earth temperature 33 degrees Celsius hotter than it should be. This is very important part for the survival of humans on the earth. But excess of greenhouse effect leads to the global warming, which is not good for us, and it can also bring the Jurassic era back. And again, speak about the acid rain. Acid rain is dangerous for humans, plants, animals, and also for buildings. Like in the case of Taj Mahal, the marble cancer. The Taj Mahal is changing its color from white to yellowish cream color because of acid rain. This is known as marble cancer.
Okay, now we will talk about hole in ozone layer or the depletion in ozone layer. What it is, the reason behind is the air pollution. First we will know that what is ozone layer. It is the layer in the stratosphere. It protects the earth from the UV radiant rays or the harmful rays. But because of the air pollution and the chemicals, the thickness of the ozone layer is getting less and less day by day. So it is quite risky for the human.